Are you looking for the best Shark robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Shark robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra is a powerful self-emptying robot vacuum designed for thorough cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. It features incredible suction power that tackles dirt and debris, including pet hair, with ease. Equipped with matrix clean navigation, it cleans in a precise matrix grid, ensuring no spots are missed by making multiple passes for deep whole-home coverage. The bagless self-emptying base can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris and includes true HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, making it ideal for homes with pets and allergy sufferers. Its 360 degrees lidar vision provides fast and accurate home mapping, allowing the vacuum to navigate and avoid obstacles efficiently day or night while adapting to changes in your home environment. The Shark AI Ultra supports hands-free control via the app or voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and a recharge and resume feature, it can clean large areas without interruption. The package includes the Shark AI Ultra Robot, a HEPA self-empty base, and 2 side brushes, offering reliable, high-quality cleaning performance. Number 2. Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501AE robot vacuum offers powerful suction that effectively cleans dirt and debris from all floor types, including hard floors and carpets. Equipped with matrix clean navigation and 360 degrees lidar, it creates precise home maps and methodically cleans in a grid pattern to ensure no spot is missed. The vacuum features a bagless self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, paired with true HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Its self-cleaning brush roll efficiently picks up pet hair, dust, and dander, while hands-free control through an app or voice commands via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant adds convenience. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and a recharge and resume feature, the Shark AV2501AE provides thorough and uninterrupted cleaning, all housed in a compact design weighing just over 15 pounds. Number 3. Shark Matrix Plus. The Shark RV2610WA is a powerful 2-in-1 robot vacuum and sonic mop designed for carpets and hard floors, offering incredible suction and the ability to mop simultaneously with sonic scrubbing that cleans floors 100 times per minute. It features matrix clean technology, which methodically cleans in a precise grid pattern, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning and 50% better edge cleaning thanks to Clean Edge Detect. The vacuum includes a self-cleaning brush roll engineered to pick up more hair and prevent hair wrap, making it ideal for pet owners. Its true HEPA filtration system captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, complemented by an anti-allergen seal in the self-emptying base, which holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris without the need for disposal bags. The robot uses 360 degrees lidar vision for precise home mapping and obstacle avoidance, adapting to changes day or night. Additional features include recharge and resume, app and voice control, and the matrix mop mode for enhanced stain removal in targeted zones. The package includes the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot, XL HEPA self-empty base, filter, side brush, microfiber reusable mopping pads, and starter cleaning solution, making it a comprehensive solution for thorough home cleaning. Number 4. Shark AV753ION Robot Vacuum. The Shark Robot Vacuum features a powerful tri-brush system combining side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll designed to effectively clean both carpets and hard floors. Equipped with intelligent cliff sensors, it detects ledges and stairs to avoid falls and navigates carefully around furniture and walls. You can control the vacuum easily via the Shark Clean app to start, stop, and schedule cleaning sessions, and it supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, it provides thorough whole home cleaning in a single charge. Shark ensures reliability by rigorously testing their robots in real-life scenarios. The package includes the Shark ION robot, charging dock, 2 side brushes, and 1 filter. Number 5. Shark RV2310AE Matrix Robot Vacuum. The Shark RV2310AE Matrix Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning solution designed to handle various floor types, including carpets and hard floors, making it ideal for homes with pets. Equipped with Shark's Matrix Clean technology, it methodically cleans in a precise grid pattern, ensuring thorough coverage and leaving no spots missed. Its self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to effectively capture pet hair and minimize hair wrap, enhancing cleaning efficiency. The vacuum empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 45 days of debris, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying. Precision Home Mapping utilizes 360 degrees LiDAR vision to create an accurate map of your home, enabling the robot to navigate and clean efficiently, day or night. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the vacuum remotely via the Shark Clean app, schedule cleanings, and integrate with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. This model offers a balanced combination of advanced features and user-friendly functionality, making it a strong contender in the robot vacuum market.